Lisa Gonzalez in weather control, and we are tracking Tropical Storm Nicole, which is not a threat to the U.S. However, it is a threat to our friends in Bermuda. You can see it right there on the satellite. Thankfully, in the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean, and the rest of the Atlantic, it is relatively quiet. But here's the latest on Tropical Storm Nicole. It's located 350 miles south of Bermuda. Max sustained winds 65 miles per hour, moving to the north-northwest at 5, and forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane possibly later today. Move off to the north and east and head towards Bermuda or near Bermuda as we get into Thursday and Friday, then heading off into the northern Atlantic. So hopefully it steers away from Bermuda and in terms of the rest of the tropics. For now, we're not tracking anything else. Of course, we'll let you know if that changes.